Welcome to Canada Unlocking. This is just a quick demonstration about our IMEI checker service. So as you know, there are many free check services online. And why should you pay for one when you can get it for free? I'll be answering that question today. So this is a typical result. This phone is blacklisted, and this is the result that it'll give you on a free website that you'll probably find on Google. However, you can see we have a premium blacklist checker service, and to order that, you just select it from the list. It's the top one. Enter in your IMEI number, press process. You'll go to the details page where you can see samples, and just submit the payment. And then check your email. Normally, within 5 or 10 minutes, you'll get an email with the report. Also, do remember to check your spam mail or junk mail if you don't find the email right away. So this is the example of the report that you'll get for free. However, if you order this service from us, your report will look like this. So the difference is it will tell you that it's blacklisted, but it'll also tell you who blacklisted it, what carrier. So this one is blacklisted by Bell, and this is the date. This one is also blacklisted by Bell. So whatever carrier reported it blacklisted, that's the carrier that you need to contact with proof of purchase in order to get it removed from the blacklist. So this is important information because just knowing it's blacklisted won't always help you. So that's the first point. And of course, when you're getting information for free, then there's no guarantee that it'll be accurate. So when you're paying for the service, and even though it's only about $1.50, then you can have confidence that the results are accurate. Second thing, by the way, you can access this page in our menu on top. Go to phone checks, carrier blacklist check, and you'll find this page. We also sell other services, which are not provided normally for free by anyone. So one is iPhone carrier name checker. So that's also useful. If you want to network unlock your phone, you will need to know the original country and the network that it is locked to. So we provide that service, and this is an example. If you were to order this service, it's the same way. You just select it, press next, put in your IMEI, go to the process page. We'll send you a result that looks like this. So here's a sample. It'll give you the model, the IMEI number, the serial number, the date that it was made, how long it's been used for, the estimated purchase date, and the next activation policy. So sometimes this information is important when it comes to unlocking. So this is policy 20 ID 23, and the name of the lock carrier is AT&T, and that's in the US, and the country, of course, is the United States, and the phone is locked. So it pretty much gives you all the details that you need and that you cannot get from a free IMEI check service. And here's an example of Samsung. You can see from the list, we have Samsung, it's the third option. So this is the result you would get. You get the model number, serial number, as well as the warranty status. When is the warranty expired? When was the phone made? And the important part is the carrier. So if you want to unlock a Samsung phone, you need to know the name of the carrier and the country that it's locked to. So it gives you both. Dominican Republic is the country, and Claro is the carrier that it's locked to. And this example above, it shows USA AT&T. Okay, so that's our. I hope you find this useful, and we do offer other services for Huawei, Google, the Apple GSX report, which is a more detailed report, Apple iCloud Clean and Lost. So if you are trying to remove the iCloud account, then some services will only work if it's in clean mode. So this will check for you, and that's also, if you want to find the prices of these, then simply select it, press next, put in your IMEI number, press process and you'll find the price here. Okay, and besides that, there's some other services. Apple lock status, that'll tell you if your phone is network unlocked or not. Your Apple ID, phone number, and full name of the original account holder, so that can also come in handy. And these are specific for Sprint. If it's blocked for unpaid bills, this will tell you. And same with T-Mobile, if it's blocked on T-Mobile and what is the reason, it'll tell you with this service. So a quick reminder, if you want to get that IMEI number to enter it into step 2, simply dial star pound 06 pound on your phone. You can also click here and you can find out how to do it. So star pound 06 pound. You can also, some old phones, you can remove the battery. It'll be written on the sticker behind the phone. And you can also check it in settings under about phone. So I hope this video helped you, and looking forward to serving you soon. Thanks.